earthquake! A big earthquake!
Come here, children! Quickly!
Look at this hotel. It is very tall.
Yes, we are on the top floor.
Wow. Look out the window, Tom. Wow. The cars are very small.
We are very high. I am a little scared.
You are safe, Emma. The building is strong.
Let's sit down. It is time to rest.
What is that noise?
The floor is moving!
It is an earthquake! A big earthquake!
Come here, children! Quickly!
Get under the table! Stay on the floor!
I am scared, Mom.
Hold my hand, Emma. Hold my hand, Emma. Protect your head.
The shaking stopped. Is everyone okay?
I am okay. I am okay too.
We must leave the room. It is not safe.
Do not use the elevator. We must use the stairs.
Let's go. Walk slowly. Do not run.
It is dark in here.
Look at the green sign. It says exit.
Look! The door! We are outside.
The sky is blue. We are safe. Hello, family. Are you okay? Yes, we walked down the stairs. You are very brave. Let me look at your arms and legs.
I have a small bruise on my hand.
It is just a small scratch. You are fine.
Thank you, officer. You are very kind.
Drink some water. Rest here.
Earthquakes are very scary.
Yes, they are. But we stayed together.
We listen to the rules. We are a good team.
I am happy we are safe.
Thank you for watching. Did you learn new words? Subscribe for more stories.